Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to view InMail and other messages on LinkedIn using your PC with the latest updates. LinkedIn is a fantastic platform for networking, job searching, and staying connected with professionals in your industry, and mastering its messaging system is key to making the most of it. So, let's get started and ensure you're not missing any important conversations. First, open your favorite web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the page is loaded, ensure you are logged into your account. If not, take a moment to enter your credentials and get logged in. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll find several icons, and we're looking for the messaging icon. It looks like a speech bubble. Click on this icon to access your LinkedIn messages. This is your central hub for all communications on the platform. Now that you're in the messaging section, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. To find InMail and other specific types of messages, look for the Message section, where different categories are sorted. Here, you should see the option labeled Other. Click on Other to proceed. Within the Other section, you will find another option, InMail. Simply click on InMail to view all the InMail messages you've received. InMail is a premium feature that allows LinkedIn members to directly contact other members they are not connected to. These messages are often used for networking, job opportunities, and business inquiries. With a basic, free LinkedIn account, you can only directly message people you are already connected to. To send InMail messages, you need to upgrade to a premium account. Keep in mind that you can't message a member if they've chosen not to receive InMail messages in their message preferences settings. Also, the number of InMail messages you can send depends on your subscription type. InMail messages can have up to 200 characters in the subject line and up to 2,000 characters in the body. When you receive an InMail, the sender's name will appear, along with the subject of the message. You can then read the entire message and respond if you choose. And that's it. You now know how to easily view your InMail and other messages on LinkedIn using your PC. This will help you stay on top of your communications and make the most of your LinkedIn experience. Whether you're a job seeker, a recruiter, or just looking to expand your professional network, understanding how to navigate your LinkedIn messages is essential.